Hi, welcome to IMC Technology. Online tutorials for electronics and computers. Subscribe to watch more.
On this video, you will learn about the basic electronics components. The common electronics components you can find in any electronic circuits. Do you know the usage of these components? Don't skip the video. So let's start. 1. Resistor. Resistors are used to limit the current flowing through an electrical circuit, adjust signal levels and to divide voltages. Resistance is measured in the unit of ohm. A capacitor is an electronic device that stores electric energy. Capacitors are usually made with two metal plates that are on top of each other and near each other, but that do not actually touch. When powered, they allow energy to be stored inside an electrical field. Diode. The diode is a two-terminal electronic component that conducts current primarily one direction. It has low resistance in one direction and high resistance in the other, commonly used in rectifiers. Transistor. It's a semiconductor device with three connections: base, emitter and collector, mainly used for amplification of signals, switching etc. There are two types of transistors: bipolar and unipolar. An integrated circuit, or IC, is a small chip that can function as an amplifier, oscillator, timer, microprocessor, or even computer memory. An IC is a small wafer, usually made of silicon, that can hold anywhere from hundreds to millions of transistors, resistors, and capacitors. Thanks for watching. This video presented by Syamkrishnan. Like and subscribe.